guys, welcome back to the channel. You can hear my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather, but man, I'm excited about today. Look what we got.
We got a lot of changes coming to the shop.
Yeah, we've got to get in here and do a lot of things today. So this video, guys, is not just going to be exciting for us, but hopefully for y'all, because
it's a whole shop redo.
Yeah, because we've got so much stuff now.
We gathered up that we just are so excited to bring to you.
We're excited because we're trying to make this efficient.
More efficient than what it is.
Because it's a mess. And so we're trying to do that, guys. So let's go in here and let's get to work. All right, guys, I got to get back here and get some lights on, but there's something in my way.
Look at all this stuff. This is all the stuff we got for the shop.
And there's some more on the other side of the Mustang.
And we're trying to get in here is hard, so you're going to have to squeeze right over there.
We got to do some work, guys. I'm excited. This video, I'm going to wear this to keep the dust down because I got some
allergy stuff.
Yeah, from a lot of wood. I've been around some of them sanding floors, and it messed me up. So I'm going to jump.
A whole lot of stuff we got to do, so let's get to it.
Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we got the Nova pushed over.
To open up a little bit of space, so that table we got.
Man, I tell you what, adding that motor
made it a lot heavier.
A lot heavier. I wish I could move it enough to get that down. We probably won't do that.
We won't do that in this video.
No, but at least we need to get this. This is all cloths to protect.
Once we get the table over here, we're gonna go over everything we got.
Yeah.
So let's move this table.
Alright guys, I'm fired up, and I'm not talking about like the motorcycle. I'm talking about like...
Show them why we got this one thing, because of the motorcycle.
Yeah, look at this. Donald, he was worried about his garage.
So he got us a big fire extinguisher. But we're so excited about this stuff we got.
Yeah, got us a new metal cutting saw.
Yeah, look at that thing.
And another blade. It's a Delta. We got all this sandpaper. Some fell off. It was stacked that high.
Yeah, it was really hot.
We have this thing, which thanks to David Price and his wife for getting us this. It is a torch.
Yeah, so a torch and flashlight. Yeah, slide that over right there.
Well,
it's almost out of fluid, probably.
Yeah, because I've played with it a lot.
But it's a flashlight as well.
Yeah.
And then we got this pegboard, which we got 3 more because we're excited. We're going to put some pegboards up.
Yeah, we got this table right here, guys. I want you to look at it because we don't want to use our welding table for all this stuff we're doing. We got this just for the dash.
Yeah, and it has this little wood vise on here.
Oh, yeah. So
it's awesome.
So we can press the U-joints into the...
Whatever we need. That thing's going to be perfect.
We got us some more clamps. We have an inch pound.
Inch pound. It looks like quarter drive
torque
wrench, which was awesome.
Intakes.
Oh yeah. Show them the paint gun we got.
Got us a new paint gun.
That is sick.
I just had to have it because there's a good deal on that.
Yeah, we got all this stuff for a good deal.
Yeah. And then I bought us this because...
You've been searching for that forever.
I've been looking for it, and it's always sold out. And I went in, and there it was. So I made sure I got it.
And we got this for the pegboards. And I have something to show you.
Oh, yeah. Go that way, baby.
I'm going to show you. This box over here, take a guess what it is. I'll give you a second.
Put a comment down below.
But what it is another one of those orange U.S. General toolboxes. It was on sale this weekend with a coupon, so I was like, I have to get it.
Yeah, because we might end up connecting them somehow later.
Yeah, there's this one way you can, so we might.
We might do that, make one long portable toolbox that we can move around. Because if you got to move, you got to move. But guys, this table is
perfect. It's a perfect work table.
We could beat, bang, clamp, press, saw, drill.
It's just awesome. We just got to figure out where it's going to go. So this video is going to be us arranging everything.
Yeah, we got to get everything organized. That way we can get to work because I want to get this set up so we can do this dash nice and neat.
On this instead of on our welding table.
Yeah, and we're going to put our welding table over there and a welder and all that with the metal stuff. So, guys, we got to get to work.
So let's do it. Very first thing we're getting rid of is this mirror.
Yeah.
It's a garage. You don't need a mirror up here.
Well, we done that whenever we used to have a gym up here.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah. Let me get some vice grips and I'll be able to pull them things out. You know,
It's kind of sketchy because what is it held up where with?
16 penny nails. Who drove 16 penny nails through a mirror?
You. So we're going to get this down and hopefully get our pegboards up right there.
Yes. Come on now. Ha!
Is the sign getting, the banner getting in your way?
Snap-on's never in the way. What if that mirror just went?
At least I'm filming. There we go. You need to put that somewhere safe because Hallie might want that.
No, it's two.
So that's our open area for our pegboard. So let's get that out. We're getting this put on here. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Give me a screw there, bud.
And we got that level up there. Get it level.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm probably going to go back here more.
Yeah, I had it where it was almost to the lowest point of the flag. Down a little bit.
Right
Down.
there.
Down. Because look, keep going a little higher more. Keep going. Keep going.
There's no way.
Yes, because look. If you put it here, right there.
Guys, you got to have your accessories.
What's cool about with this system, you can always add on.
Yeah, we could go all the way across if we wanted to. But
This will be perfect for now. Lower that one. Lower that one.
yeah,
It's just they're not the same size, I guess.
I mean, these probably aren't perfect. Yeah, we could have ordered on Amazon and got
The big
the
piece.
big piece, but
This was a lot cheaper.
I don't know. Tell the people what this cost us.
Well, with all the pegs and the pegboards and everything, it ended up like $77,
Yeah.
which is kind of expensive.
Yeah, I know you're going to say, why didn't you just get the wood piece? I got to put two more
Yeah, I've done it.
on the outer ones.
And you haven't done any of the centers.
You know, I did this one too, that one. It's just the outer one.
Did you do this center?
No, I didn't do the centers like that. I didn't know there was a center. Oh, here's my bit for it. Oh well. I done all the rest. I didn't do this. I gotta do this one and this one. I guess those centers.
Like this one?
Yeah, do that one. These walls are bowed in here too.
Yeah, you could tell.
But hey, it's gonna be perfect for
See,
what
look
we
at
do.
that bow.
Yeah, I mean we can't do nothing about that. You know,
Yeah.
we'll put like something. That thing's really bowed, ain't it?
Ah, just right there.
I wonder why.
I don't know. Well, guys, look at this. We got all these just sitting here, so we got to organize them later. But we put the drill up here. We got all of our screwdrivers, some of our wrenches, of stuff we know we're going to use, And there's still a whole lot of stuff we got to organize.
We could do all kinds
We
of
could
things.
do anything. That's what's a little hard because we're trying to decide where we want stuff and where we don't.
Yeah, because we need like electrical tape, and we'll get that on there.
Yeah, I mean, I love this though. This looks so good.
Yeah, I really like it. Under the snap-on, even though not one thing on there snap-on, but
Hopefully one day it will be. So we're going to grab our bin over here, our parts rack, and we're going to mount it right over here.
yeah.
To be
I
right
think that
beside
look
it.
good, don't you?
So this is going to be awesome. So we just got to get to it.
Let's do it. Guys, this is pretty sweet, ain't it?
Dude, this angle right here looks amazing.
Yeah, I really like it. So we'll be able to have all of our nuts and bolts and
We
whatever.
haven't had anything in it yet, but
No.
we're gonna
This is
we're gonna
taking a
start
while.
buying up some bolts
Yeah.
of a certain size and then putting the size on each level.
Yeah, we'll label it. I think that's made for a slot to go, paper to go right there.
Yeah, so we're gonna label
We'll
it.
label it and put everything in there so we can keep it organized. Guys, but this is what we was talking about by making it functional.
Yeah.
We need a functional garage. I know this is taking a while though, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, there's, I didn't think it would take that long. I thought we would get in here and whip this thing. But moving the Nova.
This is fun though, I
Yeah,
think.
but I enjoy doing this stuff because, I mean, it's going to make life easier for us. But guys, look what else, what a new one I got.
Another hot sauce bottle.
Yeah, so I'm excited. I love those things. You can put it in there.
I can't wait till we get the other toolbox built and put up, but that won't be tonight.
No, there's no way because it's getting late.
But I'm wanting to get this table put over there, so we're gonna have to move.
We might move that over there
Over.
because we probably won't even get to this tonight.
No, we'll have to move it.
Because we got to move the Nova and everything.
We're just gonna move it over here, out of the way, so we can get this table
Yeah, and
right
then
here
get
where
this,
it needs to
this
be.
part organized. Guys, this is going to help us out so much, like putting that dry shaft, the U-joints in it and stuff. You can beat on this thing. It's a tough table.
I mean, it was from a cabinet shop, so I mean, it's
Yeah.
custom
Dude
built.
knows how to build.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So we give him a big shout out. Thank you, buddy. We bought a lot
For
of
the
stuff
good
from-
deals and everything.
Yeah, that saw right there is $140 or $50. You wouldn't
And he
believe
hooked us up with
you
a
would
good
not
deal.
believe what I paid for that, but with 2 blades.
I mean, it's awesome. We're very thankful.
Yeah, we're very thankful. And that fire extinguisher is going to help out if that motorcycle comes back. But oh, guys, update on the motorcycle. The starter burned up.
David got it going a little bit.
He
And
almost had it running. It was going wah, 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 wah. And then he let off. Gosh, sorry guys. He let off the button, and then went to hit it back again and burnt the starter. We wore that. I mean, who knows how good that starter was?
we
anyways.
never knew. So
So
we're going to get a new starter, and we're thinking new carburetor.
We're thinking about doing a dual carburetors because that's the problem. He took that thing apart and has dirt daubers built up in there. So we'll get that motorcycle going and we'll really ride it. And have
So
some
let's
fun.
get back to work.
Let's do it.
Let's get this thing put in its place.
I think we figured out at the perfect height, didn't we? What's it hitting?
A piece of wood you left down there.
Uh-oh.
Cut.
My bad. Dude, that looks so good. That looks so good.
Oh, that's awesome.
That looks so good.
And we might be able to go this way a little bit more.
Yeah.
How about right there?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Show this view right here.
Oh my goodness. Show 'em.
Look at that. That looks so good.
That's what we was wanting.
And that cherry picker is going to be in that corner over there.
Yeah.
But for now, dude, I love this.
We'll move our welding helmets over to where the welder's going to go.
Yeah.
Man, it's awesome, dude. That's really awesome. The miter saw will probably go
Over there.
And probably underneath the welding table until we need it.
Yeah. So let's
Because we'll probably use it on this.
let's move on to the next thing.
Yeah. All right, right, guys. Well, I think that we got this about where we want it. We got our heat shrinks, our nuts. We put a lot of nuts, bolts, and washers
put
in
some
here.
in there.
We got our like carburetor stuff. See, that's what I wanted one of these for.
We might have to get another one to put below it.
Yeah, because we do have a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But this table is going to be perfect. We've already been using it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
We hung us another light over there near the tire machine.
To light up this place more.
We're going to probably throw in the next video, just in it, just a little bit of clip of us putting that toolbox together maybe.
Because we ain't going to be in this
Getting our welding table. Because we don't want to bore you with all this stuff. But it's fun to us to get some stuff where we can build our shop the way we want it so we can keep going with the This is going to be good, like building stuff on.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect already.
Working on carburetors and painting intake. We'll do all that kind of stuff right
Yeah,
here.
it's awesome.
So then we'll put all of our welding stuff over there.
So let us know what you think of all the progress we made.
Yeah, and let us know what you think. Does that look okay? Do you like the golden wrench where Hunter's golden wrench is he got for Christmas and beat up Santa over?
Yep.
But just let us know down there in the comment box. And what else, guys? I mean, we got a lot to do.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, what we're gonna have to tell you is.
Oh, tell them about the motorcycle.
The motorcycle is running. We have a little video David sent us. Crazy Dave got it going. Driving down the road loud. So he just put some little pipes coming straight out. It's loud. The carburetor, what we need to buy is we burn up a starter.
Yep.
We got to get a starter. We need a new carburetor.
Yeah.
But he's going to work on it a little more. He's been cleaning on that thing 3 or 4 times. But he's going to work on the carburetor a little more. Thanks. I'm feeling a little bit better, guys. So I hope I sound a little better. What else what else are we doing? What did we say? Carburetor? Starter. We need to get the stuff to run the fuel line down.
And then the exhaust.
And that motorcycle's buttoned up, son. Ready to go. Running. I didn't think we'd get that far. We got fed up and said, Crazy Dave,
take it over.
Take it. And he spent days on that thing. So, guys, make sure that you give us a thumbs up. Right, Hunter?
Yep.
No matter if you like this video or not, just hit it. I mean,
like and subscribe.
Subscribe. Hit that little bell down there. The more people subscribe, the more things we can do. We got a new project. You know, the Infinity G35 is sitting right outside.
It's sitting outside the shop now.
So we got better things to come. We can start on the rat rod as soon as we get this thing going. And we're so excited about the Nova because we're getting the drive shaft. We got everything.
Big things coming
together. Just so we can do a test drive.
Yeah.
So
test
guys,
burnout.
let us know. Here's one question, and I know you guys are smart on here. Is this Nova? I don't know what gear we have, but with a 283 with a power glide transmission, what gear would you run in this rear end? It's a 10 bolt, 8.5.
Yep.
So it's the stronger one of the 10 bolts. What gear would you run in this? But guys, comment down below, and thanks for watching.
Peace.